You give somebody an inch, they take the yard.
I wish I had more time in the day. Just know if I had it my way, you would be priority, not sacrifice. But right now I'm working on this way of life to make sure that my future right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Shelito, but when I'm in the kitchen, you can call me Chef Shells. Chef Shells. Chef Shells. Chef Shells. Anyways, you get the point. So anyways, what I got planned for you guys today, I'm going to be making my version of guacamole and chips. Last night, if you follow me on IG, you would have seen that I made some salsa last night. So we'll probably just use that too. Couple things that we're going to need for today's video. We're going to need our produce, right? Our seasonings. And we're also going to need a molcajete bowl. Now, if you don't have a molcajete bowl, you don't have to have one. You can just have a regular mixing bowl with maybe a fork or a spoon or something. You know, you get the whipping with, you know, like, look at her, you know. Anyways, so yeah, so this is just an up close, just in case you guys missed everything with the camera or anything like that. I have my lime, avocado, tomato, onion, serrano pepper, cilantro. I have my oil for when I make my tortillas. A dab of hot sauce is gonna go inside of the guacamole afterwards. Molcajete bowl, you can have this or you don't really have to get it, but the flavor does taste a lot better from what my Hispanic friends had told me. Also, here are my little seasonings that I had told you guys about, and of course the magical toast. Bing. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this video, and I'll see you on a few. Okay. Okay guys, you guys seen the final product. I thought I did amazing, but of course when you make something, you always think your food tastes good. Thank you guys for tuning in so much. If you want, you can subscribe. I advise you to. It's going to be some more cooking videos for you guys. Also, comment down below. Alright guys, so I'm about to close out this video real quick. I do have one taste tester, and I want her to come into the camera and I want her to rate me on how I did. Now, I think I did amazing, but who knows? I need another opinion. You have to... Oh, you took a big one. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. I made this for me. I'm joking.
That was good.
Scale.
10.
10. Ding, ding, ding. All right.
10.
Thank you. You got to pay for those next time. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I will be posting a lot more cooking videos. And just join the Lethal Squad. You know what I mean? Lethal. Join the Lethal Squad. Alright, I'm out of here, guys. You guys take care. You give somebody an inch, they take the yard.
Better you make chips for you?
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Peace.
I wish I had more time in the day. Just know if I had it my way, you would be priority, not sacrifice. But right now I'm working on this way of life to make sure that my future right.